The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles TMNT Classic Technodrome Playset is a nostalgic re-release that faithfully recreates the iconic playset from the late 1980s and early 1990s, designed to appeal both to collectors and new fans alike. This Amazon-exclusive playset is authentically sculpted and decorated to match the original, capturing the essence of the classic Technodrome with a modern touch. It measures 19.5 by 7 by 14 inches and weighs just over 6 pounds, making it a manageable size for display and play. The packaging itself is a throwback, featuring classic 1980s graphics that enhance the retro appeal and make it a desirable piece for collectors who appreciate vintage-style presentation. Upon unboxing, the first thing to note is that the playset is slightly smaller than the original, a design choice likely made to keep the price point reasonable and the set accessible. While some purists may wish for an exact size match, the smaller scale does not detract significantly from the overall experience. The plastic used feels sturdy and not cheap, which is reassuring given the playset's complexity and the expectation of durability. Assembly is required, and while it is straightforward, the application of stickers is a notable challenge. The playset comes with numerous small stickers that must be carefully placed on tiny square patches around the exterior and base. This process can take over 2 hours and requires patience, as some stickers are difficult to position in tight spaces. Despite this minor annoyance, the stickers add vibrant detail that enhances the visual authenticity of the Technodrome. The playset features 3 mutant play areas inside, including a turtle jail cell, a weapon storage area, and the retro mutagen ooze scanner device. These areas are packed with nostalgic details that fans of the original series will recognize and appreciate. The Brain Scrambler, a spring-loaded spinning device, and the turtle-smashing I Spy radar are key interactive elements that bring the playset to life. However, it is important to note that the Technodrome will not close properly if the Brain Scrambler or the Command Center perch is in place. So, these accessories must be removed and stored when closing the playset. This is a minor design limitation, but worth mentioning for those who want to maintain the set's closed display mode. The ooze scanner is a particularly memorable feature, harkening back to the original gimmick where kids could pour fake ooze on their turtle figures. While this added a layer of imaginative play, it was also problematic due to the mess it created and the damage it could cause to stickers and the playset itself. The ooze product is no longer produced, which is likely a positive development for preserving the set's condition. Customer experiences vary, but the overall sentiment is positive. Collectors who own the original Technodrome find this re-release to be a faithful and impressive homage despite the smaller size. The box art and packaging are praised for their beauty and retro charm. Some users have reported missing pieces, such as the mutation mat or a door, but Playmates Toys has demonstrated responsive customer service by promptly sending replacements. This level of support adds value to the purchase and reassures buyers. One of the main drawbacks noted by users is the fragility of some parts compared to the original. While the plastic feels sturdy, certain components are more delicate and require careful handling. The assembly process, while rewarding, can be time-consuming, especially due to the extensive sticker application. Price fluctuations have also been a point of discussion. The initial release price was around $80, but it has since dropped to the low 50s, making it a much better value at the lower price point. From a play perspective, the Technodrome is engaging for children and collectors alike. Several reviews mention that kids, including younger children around 5 years old, enjoy playing with the set extensively, often using vintage TMNT figures from the 1980s. The playset's design supports imaginative scenarios and interactive play, with plenty of traps and features that encourage creative storytelling. In summary, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles TMNT Classic Technodrome Playset is a must-have for fans of the franchise and collectors of vintage toys. It successfully balances nostalgia with modern production standards, delivering a detailed and visually striking playset that honors the original. While it has some minor flaws, such as the smaller size, sticker application challenges, and occasional missing parts, these do not overshadow the overall quality and enjoyment it provides. The packaging, design, and interactive features make it a standout piece that will delight both longtime TMNT enthusiasts and new fans. If you own this playset or plan to get one, leaving a review can help others make informed decisions and contribute to the community of TMNT collectors and fans.